Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the thing itself, which is a dark gray, almost black material produced by heating wood or other organic substances in the absence of air. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Charcoal. Charcoal. Coal. Charcoal. Charcoal is crucial in the context of art, helping artists to create rich, deep sketches and drawings. It's also significant in design, adding a sophisticated, modern touch to interiors and fashion. If you enjoyed learning about charcoal, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.